Hey guys, Jawahar here. So I've done my 6-week certificate program in food and cooking from Slurp Academy. So I've always been interested in food industry. So I wanted to explore more. So and I found Slurp through internet and I finally joined here. So the classes that I have taken here have given me some the depth knowledge regarding how to make food, how to make it like a restaurant style, how can we make it so I do make food, but that doesn't mean it lacks consistency always, but at least now I know how to make it consistent throughout. So we have learned 7 global cuisines so far, and I am not telling I have extent knowledge regarding, but I have fair knowledge regarding all of them. At least I am okay with everything. So my next plan is I want to start something in the food industry, but most like a cloud kitchen. So anyway, I'll be starting sometime this year itself. So this has given me some base regarding it. So next 1 or 2 months I'm going to do R&D for it, with the base that I gained from here. So it was a good experience for me. It has given me knowledge. So I would recommend the same to you guys.